All right, guys, let's see. This video is about strings. We're moving on. Pardon me. So last we checked out some of the stuff on strings, the indexing part. You can go pick a specific character in a string. You can slice the string. We used a built-in function, a len function. So we did a bit on strings. The concepts we'll talk about, as you can see here, the immutability. So essentially, this is something where you cannot change a string. Say you have something like greeting equal to hello world. The first character is H. So you're trying to make it J here, and then it gives you a message something like it doesn't support item assignment. So essentially, strings are not mutable. So this is a very simple example for that. And the way you work with strings, some examples here, simple for loop, take letter by letter. You want to count something, maybe letter is A, then you make a count of the number of A characters. So simple for loop to run through the string. Let's see some more of strings. The in operator essentially it's a binary thing. It's true or false. So if it's A in banana, obviously we have the A character, so it's true. Seed in banana, this you can't find the string in this string, so it's going to return a false. So same thing. Moving on, comparison operators. To check for equal to, you have the double equal to, um, less than, greater than. This is when you want to put this in alphabetical order. Some basic stuff on strings. Then we'll go into the next video. We'll talk more about string methods. There are lots and lots of them. We'll take some methods, we'll analyze some methods and their utility, right? So you can do a lot of things with strings. So I'll spend 3 or 4 videos on that. But this is a basic of what we did today. Essentially, we just talked about the comparison operators, the in operator, did a simple traversal, and we learned the concept of immutability, which is the strings, the characters cannot be changed. So simple, uh, short video concepts on strings. We'll do more. Hope you guys like it. Put your comments. We'll do more videos like this. Thanks a lot, guys.